Hello YouTube, welcome to Urban School. Please visit us at www.urbanschool.in. In this video, I am going to explain you how to use the for loop in MATLAB. So, in the first example, I will tell you how to generate a simple table or a single loop, and in the second example, I will tell you how to generate the nested loop in MATLAB. So, open a new file. So in this example I will demonstrate you the for loop by generating a table of 5. So let's start. First of all, you can use the keyword for. I is a variable which will run the loop I for a definite value. Let's suppose in this case 1 to 10, then end. Now whatever you want to repeat for the 10 times, with the help of the for loop you can type it here. Anything you can type it here and it will run for the 10 time. So in our case, as I want to print a table of the 5, so let's suppose r is my variable, then it should be multiplied by 5 every step. So now let's control C, control V here in the command window and see what it shows. The table starts from 5, then 10, then 15, 20, and up it goes up to 50 right there. So in this way you can use the for loop in MATLAB. It's quite easy, rather than in the C language. It's a little bit different, but it is quite easier to work in MATLAB. So let's try another example for the nested loop. So in this nested loop I will generate a multidimensional matrix. You can generate a multidimensional matrix, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3 and 4 cross 4 matrices as you wish, or you can generate even the 2 cross 3, 3 cross 4, whatever you want. So let's try this, the nested loop for, let's say, row and column. And row is, let's suppose I want to generate a matrix of nth order, then the column will go from 1 to m, then end, then end. The first end for the inner loop, then second end is for the outer loop. So A is my matrix, row comma column define my position of the element, then my, let's say my element is r plus I or C. So that's it. Now let's try it to run it in command window. Before running it, you have to define the value of the n and the value of the m, that is the number of the rows and the number of the columns. So let's say in our case the number of the rows is 4 or 4 and the number of column is 5. So paste your code here, then run it. I'm sorry, it should be what's the problem? CLC. Okay, clear all to clear all the variables. Okay, try it again. Number of rows n is 4 and number of columns that will be terminated by the value of m, that is 5. So now paste your code here. Okay, so let's see what it results in. So here the number of the rows is 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the number of the columns is 5. So in this way you can use the nested loop in MATLAB, and you can generate the multidimensional matrices with the help of the nested looping. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Please do subscribe my channel, it means a lot to me. Thanks a lot.